Hi guys, this is Mrs. Rattan. Today we're going to start our online portfolio. This portfolio is something that we return to throughout the semester and next semester. It is also what serves as your final exam portfolio and presentation. So you're going to see some examples today that are the full out portfolio, but you are only focusing on 3 aspects. So you will get this handout. It will also be posted to Google Classroom. It kind of highlights an overview of the project right here. And then there's 3 things I want you to focus on. Today, I want you to focus on these 2 specifically, and also just getting used to the Weebly program. So what you're going to do is you're going to create an introduction or home page. You're going to get onto Weebly, create an account, and decide on a like design, and then I recommend that you just do a regular website. Don't choose a blog or anything, just go regular website, and you're going to create a homepage, and this is going to introduce who you are and the purpose of the website. So you'll say, my name is Thor Smith, and the purpose of this website is to showcase all of my great work. The other thing you're going to do is create an AP exam page. This is not going to have a lot on it, but it's just kind of things that you know about the AP exam so far, as well as one valuable link or legitimate resource for the AP test. We'll talk about the great work, but another page you'll create is just dedicated to the portfolio aspect, which is things that you've done. So there's some strategies and tips that you'll want to go through. And right now I'm going to show you a couple, or at least one example. So this is a student a couple semesters ago. This is Sierra. She did a 2-part homepage. So on her first homepage, she just said the purpose of this website is to join her on the adventure through AP Lit. She has a cute little slideshow that shows her personality. The other thing you want to remember is you have to cite your images. When you're doing a public website, you want to make sure that you're not plagiarizing any photos. So you do want to put on the main page an image citation. She didn't use any images from other sources, so she just said all of the following images are owned or taken by Sierra Williams. And then she did a 2-part homepage, so if you click on to Who Am I, this is actually more of the introduction. So she played up voice, she did things that I care about, she did family, she did friends, hobbies, she really embraced the slideshow. And those are just who she is, and that's a home and who am I page. What will happen later is you will create an AP exam page, and then you also will do great works, which is where you put your favorite pieces of writing. We'll talk more about this probably on Thursday, but what happens is you will want to look back at what you've done so far in your careers, and it doesn't have to be English. Maybe you really like a bio report. But like I said, don't worry too much about the great works. When it comes to looking at examples, today will be about getting on Weebly and then looking at examples, and I have a ton of examples located on my old Weebly account. It's under here, it's under Student AP Links, and I will post this on Google Classrooms as well. But what you'll do is when you click on these things, it will take you, so here's Sherry Lynn's, here's why she's taking AP, here's information about her journey, this is her goals. So she did an intro homepage together, and then, but she did actually extend out and do an about me, which is more personalized. And then finally, she does have an AP exam page. Like I said, these ones are way more developed than what you guys are doing right now, because we come back to this web link later. But there's a whole bunch of examples. Today's really just experimenting. The goal would be create a Weebly, make sure that you're trying a home page, and also thinking about your AP exam page. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.